I just bought 2 GoPro Hero 12s. Well, I started a YouTube channel.
Obviously.
And I need these GoPros to help me along that journey. I also bought 2 suction cups that I need to go on the inside of the car because I drive a lot, and these are gonna help me with that as well. So if you're new to GoPros like I am, you're in the right place. If you're an expert on GoPros, well, stick around, I'll probably make a fool out of myself. Let's open this up. I've been saving this knife for something important. My father-in-law gave it to me for Christmas last year, and I haven't used it yet. It's a Husk. Let's use it for opening this big box. So, is this dangerous? This came straight from GoPro. I bought these from the GoPro website. This is how they are packaged. You get rid of this paper that's in here. We have the GoPro box, our 2 GoPro boxes, packaging, and 2 suction cups. This one, paper wrapped. We'll rip into this. And there's our box. Let's see how this opens up without having to tear the thing apart. There we go. Get started there. Now, here we are. I understand these used to come in a case. They don't come in a case anymore. Just this box. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. You'll get a whole bunch of information inside. So, let's see. This is how we come. You got your USB, your battery. Take the paper off, and our GoPro. We've got paper around here. Looks like we need to tear that off. Now, a little sticky paper come right off there. Easy. Another one on the back. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. So we won't be able to do anything with these for a little bit, but that's how it comes. Very simple. You do have a mount here, which somebody knows what that's called.
Is this guy for real?
That screw will mount it on as well, and another mount that somebody else knows what it is.
This is idiotic.
Let's open our suction cup. Let's see how that one opens. Do I have to cut this one open too? I might have to. It's a good thing I have this giant knife. Don't try this at home. Definitely don't try this at home, because I'm going towards myself. There we are. A lot of cardboard. I may just tear it off. So there is our suction cup. And our mount. And that will tighten it down. Another mount. Again, someone will know what that's for. Now that we're unboxed, let me go over pricing for what I bought on GoPro's website so you can get an idea of what it would cost you to do this. The GoPros themselves were $399.99. No discount on those. If you got a 1-year GoPro subscription, they would give you discounts on the website as well. Normally, that GoPro subscription is $49.99, but for that first time I got it for $24.99. Any accessories I was able to get a discount on. So the suction cups were normally $39.99. With the discount, they were $31.99, so 20% off on those 2, saving me about $18 on that. Shipping was free. I think anything over, I think it was $100 was free shipping. Sales tax, $52.70, and that put the total at $941.65. You do need to buy SD cards, of course, which I do have. I did not buy these on the GoPro website. I bought these on Amazon, 64 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme Micro SD-XC cards, because GoPro, theirs were $14.99 a piece, and Amazon had them for $10.99 a piece, but this was a bundle, so for 2 and micro SD card reader was thrown into the bundle. It was $21.33, I think it was. After tax, it was about $22. So $22 for 2 micro SD cards from Amazon instead of GoPro, but you'll get a discount, I think, if you buy them on GoPro, but it was a better deal on Amazon for me to do that. Anyway, if you have any questions, I probably can't answer them. So I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe and join me on this journey.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
The worst episode ever.
This is not working. I gotta look at the camera. I also bought 2 suction cups. I also bought 2 suction cups. Gosh, you can't say suction cup. I also bought 2 suction. Oh, just say the word suction cup.